This is me, Jimmy McMILLAN, the founder of the Rent's Too Damn High Party. I'm doing a segment on immigrant landlords and how they has affected the civil liberties and how they have and the civil rights of the people, and how they have thrown it off balance into, like most third world countries that don't have a democracy, and saying that we have a democracy here, but the housing code has done a very cruel thing, cruel and unused punishment upon the American people, a violation of the 8th Amendment and the 14th Amendment of equal protection. Equal protection, being a United States citizen, I have to go through what I'm going to tell you right now. Criminal court and housing court are two different courts. But housing court has adopted criminal court, has adopted criminal court legal steps and into that process. Tenants and criminals, those are two separate issues. But tenants are being treated like criminals in housing court. I stated already, follow my YouTube videos and you'll see what I mean. Landlords from third world countries that had no democracy and used a communist type of control amongst the people, they have brought that here, and state legislative body, city council, and every elected official in this state of New York don't know it and has allowed it to happen, meaning it's time for all of them to go. We don't mind. We know the landlords need money. To charge money for rent. We don't mind. I don't mind that. But you have the Rent Guidelines Board, Rent Stabilization Board, Rent Control Board is violating Chapter 11, Title 18. Our Title 18, Chapter 11. I'm trying to think of it off the top of my head. Check it out and find out which one it is. It's called conflict of interest. They are making a decision to raise the rent when they are property owners themselves. Oh, God, what a mess. What a mess. How do we get in this mess? God damn. I mean, I need the American public to throw your support behind what I'm doing. We need resources, economic resources, to move for change. And I urge all of you to get out of politics, because you don't know what you're doing. This is far greater than Democrat and Republican. What is happening in this country, involving false prophets, involving fraud, in every category, including banks and every institution, financial institution you could think of. So I encourage the voters to get out of politics. There is no such thing as conservative. There's no such thing as progressivism. There's no such thing as liberals. Get out of this and be a parent. As an undercover investigator, I'm here to help. I urge all of you, I don't care what party you belong to, if you are an American citizen, I urge all of you to contact my office at once, ASAP. I know what to do. America is in critical economic condition. The $15 rising trillion debt we're in can be resolved in 3 years or less. It's that simple. It's that you haven't talked to anyone that know what they're talking about. It can easily be done. Not one presidential candidate can do it unless they have the formula in which I have uncovered. If they have not done that, they cannot do it. I have mentioned it on some of my YouTube videos. I encourage you to find them, look at them, listen to them, whatever it takes. Help us set this country in the right track for Americans. America. And last but not least, as I've become so familiar and used to saying, allow me to introduce myself. I represent the Rent's Too Damn High Party. The people in America, the constitutional rights is being overshadowed by immigrants from third worlds who came here and bought property, and now they are property owners. They are distorting the civil rights I have destroyed the civil rights of the American people. And I'm going to take it back. And there's nothing else to talk about.